dear friends, I am Placid from 80 and today's Kutty story of why is why do we sneeze? Inside your nose lived a tiny guardian named Sneezy, the nose protector. Sneezy's job was to keep the nose clean and safe from dust, germs, and other intrudes. One day, as you were walking, a tiny dust particle tried to sneak in. Shh, nobody will notice, whispered Dust. But Sneezy noticed immediately and shouted, Alert! Injured in the nose. Sneezy pressed the alarm button and your brain received the message. Something is tickling the nose. Clear it out. Your body got ready. Close the eyes, take a deep breath, get ready, and hatch! A powerful blast of air shot of your nose, carrying dust away. Sneezy smiled proudly. That's my job. I protect the nose from inroads. And that is why, whenever dust, pollen, or germs enter your nose, your body produces a sneeze to clear them out. Now it's time to know the scientific reason why do we sneeze. Sneezing is the body's reflex to clear the nose. When dust, pollen, smoke, or germs enter the nose, they irritate the sensitive lining inside. This sends a signal to the brain. The brain triggers the sneeze reflex. You take a deep breath, muscle in your chest and throat contact. Air is forcefully expelled through your nose and mouth. Thank you, dears. We'll meet you again in the next day with another Kutty story of fight. Stay curious and keep learning. See you soon. Bye.